Welcome to this introductory guide to Voxelfill. In this video I'll show you the most basic settings for the Voxelfill and where it is in the software. Let's jump in! After opening REALvision Pro, you'll see this screen and the Voxelfill will appear on your right hand side. If you don't see it here, try go to Plugins and click Update Plugins. If you still don't see it, check out our video on how to apply and buy a plugin. Alright, now that we have the plugin, slicing with it is simple. You simply import a model, you click on the icon, click Slice with Voxelfill, and then you click Prepare. If you want to see where the model will be filled, click Show Paths, scroll down a bit, and you see the cavities here that later will be filled. You can also toggle these points by going to Structure and choosing Tessellation Center Points and either toggling on or off. These points mark the exact points where the printer will fill the voxel. You can change the size of the voxels directly in the plugin. Here, height refers to the size in the Z direction in millimeters, and width is the distance from one side to another, either in the X or the Y direction. When it's finished, you can click Export to export it to your SD card so that you can go to your printer and print it. There you have it. As you can see, the finished part is almost identical to a normal print, although it is much heavier and it is significantly harder to break. In fact, we tested this model on our universal testing machine that can pull and push up to 2 tons, and even that couldn't break it. Hopefully you found this video useful and that you'll begin to make stronger parts using Voxelfill.